Standard 7th Subject Computer. Today we are going to learn lesson number 1, Introduction to the Computer System. A computer is a device for working with information. The information can be numbers, words, pictures, movies or sounds. Computer information is also called data. Computers can process huge amounts of data very quickly. How computer works? It receives input from us and gives out result or output. Now input means put data into the computer and output means any information that is processed by and sent out from a computer or other electronic device is considered output. Computer systems are classified as follows. Microcomputer. A microcomputer is a computer with a central processing unit as a microprocessor designed for individual use. A microcomputer is smaller than a mainframe or a mini computer. Microcomputer is a small computer. Your personal computer are the equivalent to the microcomputer. Now student, personal computers. A personal computer is a microcomputer designed for used by one person at a time. PCs are of two types. These machines run comparatively easy to use application software such as word processors and spreadsheets. Workstation, a high performance computer system that is basically designed for a single user and has advanced graphics capabilities, large storage capacity and a powerful microprocessor CPU. Workstations are expensive, powerful machines used by engineers, scientists and other professionals who process a lots of data. People who need to run complex programs and display results graphically, they use workstations. Portable computer. A portable computer can be easily carried around. Laptops or notebooks. Laptops may be either AC powered, battery powered or both. These computers are ideal for users who have to work away from their offices. An example is IBM ThinkPad. Netbook. Netbook is a small mobile computing device, a mini laptop that has less processing power and less storage space than a laptop computer. Netbooks are a category of small, lightweight and inexpensive computers. They are used by frequent flyers and traveling professionals. Personal digital assistants are small network computers which can fit in the palm of your hand. PDAs, also known as handheld PC. PDAs help collect such information as contacts, appointment, files and programs. A PDA is a mobile device that is used as a personal information manager. They can connect to the internet. Mini computers. Mini computers emerged in the mid-1960s and were first developed by IBM Corporation. A mini computer may also called a mid-range computer. A mid-sized computer usually fitting within a single cabinet about the size of a refrigerator that has less memory than a mainframe. A multi-user computer capable of supporting from 100 of users simultaneously. Simultaneously means what? At the same time. Mainframes. Mainframe computer like a big centralized machine that contains the large memory, huge storage space, multiple high-grade processors. So it has ultra processing power compared to standard computer system. So mainframe computer system importance is increasing for large scale organization, scientific research because it is capable to execute multiple complex program concurrently at the ultra speed. Supercomputers. Supercomputer is a powerful computers that can process large amounts of data very quickly. An extremely fast computer that can perform hundreds of millions of instructions per second. It is used in weather forecasting, oil exploration, weapons research and large scale simulation. Network computer. Network computer with minimal memory, disk storage and processor power designed to connect to a network, especially the internet. The functions and components of a computer. The computer has both hardware and software. Hardware consists of the mechanical and electronic devices which we can see and touch, and the software consists of programs, the operating system and the data that reside in the memory and storage devices. A computer mainly performs the following four functions. First, receives input. Second, process information. Third, stores information. And fourth, produced output. The computer system comprises of three units. First, the input unit. Whenever you enter data into your computer, it is referred to as input. Devices such as keyboard, mouse, scanner, and even a digital camera are considered input devices because they allow the user to input data into the computer. The output unit. Any information that is processed by and sent out from the computer or other electronic device is considered output. An example of output is anything viewed on your computer monitor screen, such as words you type on your keyboard. Now students, CPU, the central processing unit. CPU full form is central processing unit, where all the processing work is done. The CPU is the control center of the computer, hence it is said to be the brain of the computer. The CPU itself has three main components: the memory unit, the control unit, the arithmetic and logic unit. The memory unit. To process a task, data and instruction need to be temporarily stored in the computer. This storage is done in the memory unit of the CPU. The various measurement units of computer memory are bit, byte, nibble. Bits and bytes are the basic building blocks of memory. Bit stands for binary digit. A bit is a 1 or 0 on or off, which is how all computer information is stored. A byte is made up of 8 bits. Control unit. Control unit is a piece of hardware that manages the activity of peripherals. Peripherals means separate device attached to the computer, such as monitors, hard drives, printers, etc. Now the arithmetic and logic unit. This part of the CPU performs all the arithmetical operations such as addition, multiplication, subtraction, division on the numerical data as directed by the control unit. Inside the computer. The inside of your computer has many parts that all work together. These parts are generally found within the computer case. The computer case is the metal and plastic box that contains the main components of the computer. It houses the motherboard, central processing unit, the power supply and more. The computer case is also known as tower, system unit, base unit or simply case. Some of the main components are as follows. Motherboard. Motherboard is the main circuit board inside a computer that connect the different parts of a computer together. The motherboard or main board is the backbone of the computer. The motherboard consists of processor chip, PCI slots and memory unit. Processor chip. This is the chip that does the thinking of the computer. PCI slots. These are outlets in the motherboard that allow you to install extra components like sound cards, modems, video cards and other devices. Now modems video cards means what? A modem card is an internal type of modem that is plugged into the PCI slot of a PC motherboard. Memory unit. This is where information is temporarily stored for the processor to use and manipulate. Hard drive. This is the part of your computer where information is stored for later retrieval. All the information you access on your computer, all your documents, pictures, email messages and programs are saved here. Unlike memory, the hard drive stores information even after the power is turned off. CD-ROM or DVD-ROM drives. These drives allow you to access data stored on a CD or DVD. Data can also be written, modified or erased using these drives. Thank you.